Hello and welcome to the Dileep_AI YouTube channel. To all AI enthusiasts, tech aficionados, and curious minds. Course description. In this course, you will acquire a strong foundation in machine learning through practical, real-world projects. Our hands-on, project-based approach will immerse you in the dynamic realm of machine learning. By the end of this course, you will be able to build and deploy machine learning models for various applications. Target audience. This course is suitable for individuals of all backgrounds and skill levels who want to learn machine learning through practical, project-based learning. Course outcome. By the end of this course, students will be able to understand the principles of machine learning, create and train machine learning models, apply machine learning to real-world problems, evaluate and fine-tune machine learning models, deploy machine learning models in practical applications. Course structure. Module 1, Introduction to Machine Learning. Lesson 1, What is Machine Learning? Learning Objectives. Define machine learning and its applications. 2. Real-world example. Explore how Netflix uses machine learning for movie recommendations. Activities. Discuss the concept of machine learning in daily life. Brainstorm potential applications of machine learning. Discussion questions. How does machine learning impact your daily life? Can you think of any other companies using machine learning for recommendations? Ways to expand learning. Research and present a case study on a popular machine learning application. Lesson 2, Types of Machine Learning. Learning Objectives. Differentiate between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Real-world example. Analyze how self-driving cars use reinforcement learning. Activities. Create a chart comparing the 3 types of machine learning. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each type. Discussion questions. How might you apply these types of machine learning in a real-world project? What are the challenges in using reinforcement learning for self-driving cars? Ways to expand learning. Explore advanced machine learning algorithms used in each category. Module 2, Data Pre-processing and Exploration. Lesson 1, Data Collection and Cleaning. Learning Objectives. Collect, clean, and prepare data for machine learning. Real-world example. Study how Airbnb collects and processes data from hosts and guests. Activities. Collect and clean a dataset. Identify and handle missing data and outliers. Discussion questions. How does data quality affect machine learning model performance? What challenges might arise when dealing with real-world data? Ways to expand learning. Explore data collection methods in different industries. Lesson 2, Exploratory Data Analysis, EDA. Learning Objectives. Perform ADA to gain insights from data. Real-world example. Analyze ADA techniques used by a healthcare company to predict disease outbreaks. Activities. Conduct ADA on a provided dataset. Visualize data patterns and correlations. Discussion questions. How can ADA help in making data-driven decisions? What kind of visualizations are most effective in ADA? Ways to expand learning. Apply ADA techniques to different domains like finance or marketing. Module 3, Model Building and Evaluation. Lesson 1, Model Selection and Training. Learning Objectives. Select suitable machine learning algorithms and train models. Real-world example. Explore how Amazon uses various models for product recommendations. Activities. Choose a model for a specific problem. Train the model on prepared data. Discussion questions. How do you decide which machine learning algorithm to use for a task? What factors can impact model training and accuracy? Ways to expand learning. Compare the performance of different models on a common dataset. Lesson 2, Model Evaluation and Optimization. Learning Objectives. Evaluate and fine-tune machine learning models for better performance. Real-world example. Investigate how banks optimize credit scoring models. Activities. Evaluate model performance using metrics. Optimize the model for improved results. Discussion questions. What metrics are commonly used to assess model performance? How can model hyperparameter tuning enhance accuracy? Ways to expand learning. Implement hyperparameter optimization techniques. Module 4, Model Deployment and Real-World Application. Lesson 1, Model Deployment and Scaling. Learning Objectives. Deploy machine learning models for practical use. Real-world example. Understand how Uber deploys machine learning models for ride demand prediction. Activities. Deploy a trained model on a cloud platform. Scale the model for handling multiple requests. Discussion questions. What are the challenges in deploying machine learning models in real-time applications? How can you ensure scalability and reliability in deployment? Ways to expand learning. Explore containerization and serverless computing for model deployment. Lesson 2, Capstone Project, Real-World Application. Learning Objectives. Apply all learned concepts to a real-world project. Real-world example. Share a case study of a company using machine learning for fraud detection in the banking industry. Activities. Choose a real-world problem to solve using machine learning. Collect, clean, and pre-process data. Build, train, and optimize a model. Deploy the model and present results. Discussion questions. What project did you choose, and why? What challenges did you encounter during your project? Ways to expand learning. Present your project findings to peers for feedback and insights. Conclusion. By following this course, you will be well prepared to apply machine learning in various real-world scenarios, from recommendation systems to healthcare and beyond. Start your journey into the world of machine learning with hands-on experience and project-based learning.